how to fix can't hear calls unless speakerphone is on. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. Are you finding yourself in a frustrating situation where you can't hear calls unless your phone is on speaker? It's a common problem, but thankfully there are several solutions we can try out. So, first things first, check your basic volume settings. Sometimes it's simple as the volume being turned down too low for the airbase. And swipe down from the top right and open up the control menu and look for the vertical slide bar with the speaker icon. Make sure that it is all the way up. So if this doesn't do the trick, then let's look at the Bluetooth connection. Sometimes your phone might be connected to a Bluetooth. So make sure if Bluetooth is blue in color, that means it is toggled on. Make sure to toggle it off. And once you toggle it off, if any devices were connected with a Bluetooth, then that means those will be disconnected. If there is still no luck, then what you can do is you can head over to your settings and go to accessibility. There you will need to scroll down and then go to hearing devices. From here you can toggle on the hearing aid compatibility. Hearing aid compatibility improves audio quality with some hearing aids. And then uh, these are some of the ways that you can help to fix the calls that can only be heard when speaker is on. So finally, you can try going to general and then updating your software. So sometimes if your iOS is outdated, then that might also cause problem on your phone. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.